So here we are. This is just above, we're just above the... We're just above the dam in Mundaring. This is the Mundaring Dam, but we're just above and we're going to try and catch the... Yes, lovely. Yes, there is Annie and Michelle of the frat. That's my two kids and my daughter-in-law. Yes, here we are. It's a beautiful day. This is Boxing Day actually. This is the day after Christmas. And we thought we'd just go and do a bit of sightseeing today before Leah and Michelle fly back to Sydney tonight. Yeah, so don't forget to do, if you're out this way in Mundaring, come up and do this walk. You actually can walk up. We've done the walk up before, but this one we just drove up and then we're going to walk down a little track here. Not too far. But I just wish you all the best for the new year. I hope you guys have all had a Merry Christmas and looking forward to the new year and whatever the new year brings. Absolutely wonderful. Careful, daughter. You alright? Daughter's checking her phone. The brother's checking her. So anyway, our walk here is... We should have worn our sneakers, eh? Michelle's the only clever one. I'm going to say... Eh? I don't know if I caught that on video. Because I'm doing a video of you while you're walking down. Yeah, I don't know. It was too fast for me. I was just saying that's why you have to tell Uncle David and share the story about you slipping up. I like that one. Yeah, I've got to be careful here. Anyway, this is really a good place to come to, okay? This is in Mundaring, guys, okay? Only in WA. It's in Perth. Yep, so I'm going to take this video all the way down until we get to where the view is. Hey, there's quite a lot. It's not too far down here. Better watch where I'm going. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, you can see that. Ah, look at that. I'm taking this video and I'm going to video all the way down to that lookout. Okay, it's a bit too long to get there, so I'll just cut my video short. Okay guys, this is us. New Year's Day, actually New Year's Day. This is Boxing Day and it's actually my parents' anniversary today. Married, they would have been married for 70 years if Mum was still alive. She passed away in 2020. But yes. Oh, listen to them. Oh, wow. That's beautiful sound. Wow, welcoming us. Yes, they're welcoming us. The blue tail parrots. Wow, look at them. There, look at them up there. Black tail, sorry. Red tail, sorry. Hey, you're welcoming us. Thank you. That's beautiful. So we were across here before, and now we drove up here. Now we're here. And here we are. Lovely. Hello! Red tail parrots. This is how they brought water to the desert by Sir John Forrest in 1847 to 1918. It's wonderful, isn't it? These are the people that have made this, bringing in the water right there. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Have anything to say, son?
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Yes.
Have a great New Year. God bless everyone. Chee-hoo!
Yeah, that's my son, Leroy. Okay, cheers for now.